Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to send photo to someone on TikTok message. It's very easy, though there is not the right way to actually do this on TikTok message. All right, but we are going to see how to go around it. All right, so first step you have to take guys is of course open your TikTok app and log into your account. All right, now next thing I want to do guys is to click on the message icon at the bottom area right here. So once you click on that, you are going to notice that once you open someone's DM to send a photo, you're going to notice that there is no photo feature at the bottom area, and that's actually weird because other social media apps has a way of sending photo to someone they want to. All right, so let's see how to go around this. So what you have to do is to head back to your FYP. So once you're right here on your FYP, what you have to do is to create the photo that you want to send to any person. So all I have to do is to click on the plus sign at the bottom area of my screen. Once I do that guys, you can see that I can actually create a photo right here. So make sure that the photo option is selected. All right, as you can see right here, it's selected right here. So go ahead and take a photo of whatever you want to send to someone. For example, I want to take a photo of my power bank. I have to take it just like this, and then I have to share this to my story. As you can see at the bottom left corner, there is your story option. Select that and then share this to your story. Once this is shared to your story, you're going to notice it right here. All right, so go ahead and click on your story. Once you click on your story, click on the three dot at the bottom right corner. So now choose the person you want to send this photo to. For example, I want to send this photo to my brother Tony Faraday. You can check him out on YouTube. So once you click on that, click on send. Once that is sent, head back and click on the message icon at the bottom area of your screen. All right, so select the user that you sent the photo to, and you're going to notice the photo right here. So it's that simple. All right, so this is how you can actually send photo to someone on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.